Hello and welcome to the shop. Those of you who have followed me for a while know that I like to use a Miles Craft pen press. It's a fantastic little press. I usually will put it back here on what I call my setup table and I'll press my pens. Well, because this has a flat metal bottom and because my table is nice and smooth, as I'm pressing, it's sliding all over the place. Inevitably, someone will comment, "Why don't you mount that press to your table?" Well, I'll be honest, I don't want to mount the press to my table. Sometimes I like to press on my side table, or I may go over to my table saw, or even my maker cart. Occasionally, I'll do a demo at my turning club, and I like to take my press with me. If it's mounted, I lose that versatility of being able to pick it up and take it wherever I want to use it. But I've come up with what I think might be a solution. I've got this entire little page of rubber feet, and we are going to put rubber feet all along the bottom of our press, and this should stop the sliding issue. Here's a quick demonstration. As I pick the press up, you can see it very easily slides on the table. Let's flip it over, and let's begin by applying some feet to all four corners. And there are two large feet left. We'll put those right in the middle of the press. And now let's see if that makes a difference. It still slides a little bit, but it's got a lot more friction. It's much more difficult to move around. I really hope you enjoyed this super short little video about making an improvement to my pen press. This is kind of a compromise between mounting it and not mounting it. It allows me the versatility to go anywhere I want, but it also should help dampen the sliding effect when this is on a nice smooth surface. I'd really like to thank you for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I want you to know that you are always welcome in my shop. Come back and see me again real soon and keep those great suggestions coming. I truly appreciate them. Have a great evening.